it's Dawn with TwiceShearedSheep.com, and today, to help you get going as a brand new beginning knitter like you know nothing, here we go. Today we're going to talk about needles. There is a wide variety of needles to choose from. If you go to the craft store and you see the aisle, there's so much it might be overwhelming. So let's talk about needles. There are a few things that you need to consider when choosing your needles. The first thing is the gauge of your needle, which means the thickness of your needle. Needles come in a wide variety of thicknesses. Everything from something that almost looks like you could stake a vampire with it, that Buffy the Vampire Slayer would be using. Super thick, this one's not that big actually, but you know, super thick knitting needle, to a medium weight needle, to a tiny little skinny needle, which is used for finer yarns. Choosing the thickness of your needle, the gauge of your needle, is very important, and you'll probably in your knitting career end up with a wide variety of needles in various sizes to accommodate the various thicknesses of yarns that you will be knitting with. How do you know which needle to start out with? Well, if you followed my recommendations for choosing your yarns and you chose a number 4 worsted weight, medium weight yarn, then you probably want a size 8 needle. I don't, 5, 6, 7, 8, a size 8 needle, which is a 5 millimeter. And that's the one that's usually recommended for worsted weight. As you become a more proficient knitter, you'll learn how your knitting style varies. I tend to be a very loose knitter, so my favorite needle is a size 6 instead of a size 8, but that's okay because I just adjust for me. If you're unsure or you chose a yarn that is different than what I recommended, you can always look on your ball band, and over here it'll give a recommendation on the hook size and the needle size that the manufacturer recommends for this yarn. You'll see that this manufacturer does indeed recommend a size 8 needle, just like I said.